Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today videos, so friends, I will show you beautiful Easter bath decoration ideas. So viewers, let's start today videos, friends. Today I made a beautiful Easter bath. I used soft flowers and lights color. It's look fresh and perfect for spring. You can hang it on your door. It's give a warm and happy welcome. Easy to make and very pretty. Try this idea at home. But Easter bath and friends. Neighbors. Add a bunny ears on top, add small eggs around the water. It looks fun and forever perfect for kids and family. Simple and creative design. Hope you like it. Easter eggs bath. Look at this colorful eggs bath. I used bright Easter egg. It looks joyful and lively, perfect for front or decoration. And friends. And the viewers. Easter eggs bath. Sorry. Easy and trick to make different color and fun. Rustic Easter bath. This is a rustic Easter bath. I use dried branches and natural items. Add a simple ribbon for style. It's look clean and elegant, perfect for modern homes. Simple but very beautiful. Give it a try. Ribbon Easter bath. And friends, I hope you like my videos, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for viewers. More latest updates. So friends, see you in the next video. So friends,